Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Copilot access and the dashboard permissions you need. This prevents blockers later. Then identify the key metrics and data sources. Knowing the refresh cadence helps avoid stale insights. Once done, create a new dashboard workspace and connect the primary dataset so Copilot can analyze structures and fields. You should also tag important tables and columns to guide suggestions. This makes Copilot's initial recommendations accurate and immediately actionable. Now prompt Copilot to suggest chart types and a layout, explaining the audience and decision goal so recommendations match intent. You then refine visuals, add filters, slicers, and drill downs, testing interactivity as you go. Make sure to optimize queries and data transformations. Efficient models speed up previews and user interactions. While you iterate, verify calculated fields and units for consistency, and ask Copilot to generate alternative visualizations for comparison so you can choose the clearest representation. To finish, publish the dashboard, set a refresh schedule, and assign access levels so the right viewers see the right data. You should collect quick user feedback and adjust visuals or KPIs. Continuous small tweaks improve adoption. If something goes wrong, start by checking permissions, then validate the data schema and review query logs to spot errors or slow steps. If necessary, ask Copilot to suggest remediation steps. Its contextual recommendations often pinpoint missing joins, type mismatches, or heavy transforms causing delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.